how to change ringtone on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open a Truecaller and then click on your profile here, then click this settings icon in the top corner. Now just here you will find sounds, this one, second one, click on it, and here we'll find ringtone, click on it and click media storage, and that's it. Here you can select any ringtone you want and you can add it from your device. Just click add ringtone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.